lady hurt Abel's feelings because told him he couldn't video. But that's okay. I get my feelings hurt every day. 50 years later, I just learned just have to shake it off and go on. Ain't that what that country rock singer woman says? Shake it off, shake it off. It's almost everywhere I go, somebody fusses about something. I don't think nobody saying anything make any difference.
How do they even get in that? How do they even get in that?
I don't know, baby. You gotta let go of my hand. You're smashing your fingers. You'd climb in on that other side, I guess.
Or you could just hop on top of the truck.
Yeah, just don't touch nothing, okay? Because everybody's
I'm just pointing at
it's gazillions of dollars worth of stuff, so I get it. They don't want nothing messed up. I would assume that pad on that tank is for laying down to go fast. Because it's got it's like a land speed thing.
Look, it literally shows.
Yeah, just don't touch, boo-boo.
I know, I was just...
I don't want to make this video where I'm constantly the whole time telling you not to touch stuff.
I wasn't touching it.
Some people say, he's a bad daddy. Keeps fussing at his kid. But no. I love my kid. Just have to take care of people's stuff.